Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, we are talking about this machine here. So this is the Tommee Tippee brand Perfect Prep machine. So before I get into the review and what I think about it, I want to obviously read you the information about it, tell you why I purchased it and all of that, and then get into my actual thoughts. So on the Baby Bunting website, it is currently $239 there. Now, all baby products, from what I am seeing in this very new journey to me, is they go on sale. So try and buy everything when it's on sale, because who doesn't like to save money? But what it says about it, there is a big write-up about this. Let me summarize it. So it just says, there is no waiting for the kettle to boil or for the water to cool. This dream machine delivers fresh formula feed at body temperature in just 2 minutes. You can use any formula, and it is... Press the button to release the initial hot shot, which is 70 degrees, which kills the bacteria, and then add the formula, and then it will dispense the remaining cool water. So basically it sounds like an absolute lifesaver. It will create a bottle within 2 minutes. Now, if you have a crying baby, even 2 minutes sounds way too long, to be honest. They don't understand like what 2 minutes is, and just to hang on for 1 second. So for me, honestly, it was between this machine and the Baby Breezer formula dispenser. The Baby Breezer obviously does everything for you, where this one you do have to put the formula in the bottle. I mean, it's obviously not the biggest deal in the world, but I actually did want to get either one of these machines because we have a 2-story house, and there was absolutely no way I was going up and down stairs for middle of the night feeds. So I decided on this one, obviously. Now, super simple machine. It basically, when you turn it on, it does have this little screen here, and it pretty much talks you through what to do to set it up. It does have a filter in here, which they are $15 or $16 each. I think you get about a month or 2 months out of each filter. So yeah, that's just the maintenance upkeep on them, and I do like how just basic and sleek and nice it looks. You can move this out, so depending on what bottles you use, if they're shorter, bigger, whatever works for you. And yeah, I do really like it. It also does come in all black if you are looking for this. Now, my thoughts on this machine, does it work for what we want and all of that? I actually have no idea, because our baby is almost 4 months old. I haven't used it once, to be honest. What an absolute waste of money. It's one of those things that obviously as a first-time parent, you want to be prepared, but you actually have no idea what you want and what you don't want. So absolutely no idea. No idea. If you used it, let me know if you think it's good. We actually worked out a different bottle system which works absolutely perfectly. We discovered, obviously, in the hospital, you are feeding your newborn room temperature formula. So why create warm formula or cold formula and create more of a bigger, harder issue? So we actually continued feeding room temperature water with formula. So I basically boil the kettle and put the water in the bottles, and then just put the formula in as we need it, which has worked absolutely incredibly for us. I've heard stories of one of my friends. She has a baby that has warm formula. If it's not heated correctly in the microwave, she will not take it. So I didn't want to go down that road of having issues like that where, you know, I needed a microwave or specific like temperature water or anything like that. So our baby has been super chill with that, and I am so grateful. So this machine has been non-existent in our baby journey. So I will actually be selling it, and who knows, I'm obviously not going to get my money back, but I guess if someone else can fit it into their lifestyle and use it, it's better than obviously storing it or throwing it out. But yeah, I have heard great reviews. It's just something that I personally haven't needed. So maybe if you want to try what I do to simplify the situation of bottles and feeding formula, definitely just try that. If you have any questions about how I do it, because it has just been so easy and so stress-free, and yeah, I don't need this, and I don't need to worry about the baby breezer having bacteria and mold and not giving the amount of formula. I just do it all manually, super quick, super simple, and yeah. So let me know your thoughts again. If you have used this or baby breezer, what works for you with formula feeding? I would love to know. Thank you guys for watching so much as always, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.